This is a basic overview of how to use if-then statements in Microsoft Excel, also known as Boolean functions. So this is a really basic function and pretty useful in Excel. But let's say we have a table of data here with baseball batting averages here in column F. And we want to know if the player's batting average is, let's say, less than 250 or 0.250 in column F. Well, what we can do is we can set up an if-then statement. So we can do equals if, and then it's going to ask us in the formula for the logical test. So what do we want to test? Well, we want to test if this cell in column F, so in this case it's F2, is less than 0.250, then we want to show text that says yes, indicating that yes, that player's batting average is less than 0.250. And value if false, we'll say no. If that isn't true, then no, their batting average isn't under 0.50. So once we enter that formula, as you can see, this person's batting average, Matt Albers, is at 1.000, or batting 1,000, they call it in baseball, which doesn't really make sense, but it's 1.000, and so it's going to return no because that test we set up, is it less than 0.25? If it was true, it would say yes, but since it isn't true, it's false, then it's going to output no. So if we copy this down, we go down here, we can see no, 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 they're all above 0.5, and then all of a sudden, yes, this AJ Ellis, his batting average is under 0.50, and it returns yes here. So if we want to filter, we can filter all the yeses, and we then get a list of all the players filtered out who are batting under 0.50. So that's a basic if-then function. It can get really complex. There's lots of tutorials online as far as more in-depth how they work and nesting them in other functions, which can be useful at times. And you can go check those out online if you want more details. But hopefully this helps just gain a basic understanding of if-then statements in Microsoft Excel.